Hello and welcome to this video how to install Oracle 12c database on Windows 10. Open the Google Chrome and type Oracle 12c database download and search. Open the first link. This link is provided in the description. Now download the Oracle 12c release to 64-bit version. I have already downloaded and is available in locally. Now extract the zip contents here and I will skip to the end. Now open the database folder and select setup.exe and right click on it. Choose Run as Administrator. It will open the Oracle Universal Installer. Here you can provide the email address or you can skip. Click the Next button. Click Yes to proceed. In step 2, we have three options: whether to create and configure new database, or install database software, or upgrade to an existing database. For now on, I will choose the first option and proceed to next step. In step 3, we have two options: desktop class or server class. As we are installing on local, we will select desktop class and proceed. In step 4, we have four options to access Oracle Home, but I will go with the default Windows built-in account and click Next. Please click on Yes and proceed. In step 5, we have options to install Oracle installation folders for Oracle base location, software location folder, database file location, database edition. Here I choose Enterprise Edition. The character set I choose is as OS local. For password, we need to follow Oracle standards, and after providing correct password, proceed to next step. Click on Yes. Now the setup will verify the system requirements to install. Now click Install to start the installation of database. This process will take time. Please allow access to install Java libraries to install. Now setup process is completed. Now we will open the Sequent developer to verify the connection to database. Right click on connection for new connection window. Enter the connection name, username and password. Now type the SID to ORCL and test the connection. Now we have successfully connected to Oracle database and we can see the internal tables already present here. And now select any of the table and drop the table to new query window to query the table. And we can check the other users in the database as well. Now we have logged into Oracle database. We have confirmed that Oracle is installed successfully. So that concludes this video on installing Oracle database on a Windows environment. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel to see more videos.